Alright, it's been a little while since I last showcased my Leaperkim Oryx. I've done a few mods to it, as you can see. Most noticeably, I've relocated the kickstand to the front. This allows for much easier access to the charge ports when leaned forward. Here, I've 3D printed an extra large rear fender to protect my ass when I ride in the city. No doubt I'll be encountering some major puddles, riding through rain and whatnot during my commute. And also, a nice 3D printed seat. This fits the Sherman L originally, but it fits the Oryx just as well. I've also put some aftermarket gel pad for a motorcycle passenger seat, because I like my ass to be very comfortable when riding. Not many people in my Mississauga ride group approve of this somewhat absurd look, but in memory of when I gave a shit, precisely what this patch is aiming to tell them. Alright, now I got one last thing to add. Should be a doozy. Voila! This is one of those front handlebar extensions for a triathlon bike. I hope it works out. If it does, it could be revolutionary. If not, I'll give up on it and it'll just be absurd. Let's see how well this rides. Voila! How funny does this look, huh? It definitely looks like a literal giant oryx with horns. Alright, should we give it a whirl? This is fucking crazy. This is so weird. Yeah, I don't know about this. Feels interesting, but I can't see how I'll be able to look out of my helmet leaning this far forward. Let's try it with my helmet on. Alright, I got my helmet on. Let's see how this rolls. Yep, no good. I have to hunch way too forward and I won't be able to see outside my helmet. I can only see the ground. Not good. I like the posture though. I feel like in order for this thing to be viable, I need some much sturdier extenders. Because these won't cut it. There's too many joints. See, even with the sandpaper, it's not really staying in place. If I really want to make this work, it's going to have to be a major custom job. I mean, it's a fun idea to try for now, but from the looks of it, feels better in theory than in practicality. Let's take this out on the trail for a little bit. There are some puddles. Let's see how my fenders work. This is kind of ridiculous. Pretty nice though. I really have to lift my head up high. Yeah, can't say it's practical. I'm glad I tried it though. Look at this. I can still somehow see from my helmet. Well, from the looks of it, this is only good for riding straight line. Ooh, big puddle here. Yeah, how's that? My ass is nice and dry. Just what I wanted. The rear fender is the best idea ever. These fucking Oryx horns, can't really say the same. Yeah. Definitely not using these handles in the twisties. These fenders are awesome though. No complaints there. Oh man. Can't believe I got Oryx horns for my Oryx. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. I don't feel good in turns holding these handles. Going in a straight line, it feels pretty nice. But when I have to turn, I just have to stand up and lean. For this to have any practical purposes, that defeats the purpose of a unicycle. Because the whole point is to be hands-free. This is just for shits and giggles. Oh, I'm trying to hold on to the handlebars while turning. No, it doesn't feel good. Yeah. I have to really strain to lift my head up so I can actually see forward in my helmet. And I'm simply hunched way too low and forward for this. Yeah. Ultimately, I think this is pretty pointless. And in tight quarters like off-roading, I can see these handlebars being caught on something very easily. Fenders are great. Front handlebars, not so much. Ridiculous. Yep. It's like the Oryx is taking a drink. Awesome fender. Couldn't have asked for better. My verdict for the handlebars? It is a nay for me. The fenders and the seats, proper yays.